Seductive Souls coming at you. Baby blue and navy blue Nike slides. Brand new. Did a little test spot right there, that's why it's missing. But I'm gonna try something different, new attempt. Customize a pair of slides. Pretty easy. Just never done it before. It's gonna be my first time, so go ahead and get into this. Show you how it's done. Back. Finished product. Back. Nike slides. Fresh. Size 12. Bam. Finished product. Houston Oilers, Tennessee Oilers, aka Tennessee Titans. I just had to. I found these slippers, like I said, got them on sale, and I never seen the baby blue with the navy blue, and it's suede, so I had to customize it, turn it into the Oilers, one of a kind. Only me, only I have these. These are my personal pair. So yeah, Nike slides, navy blue bottom, baby blue top, and it had Nike and baby blue going across. As you see, I added the Oilers logo to it. It turned out pretty good. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.